Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System and Updates. Here we've got a reset option, so simply tap on it, and on the second position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it. Here your device will tell you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on Reset Network Settings. If you've got a pattern or PIN, then enter to confirm. And here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So if you're ready, tap on Reset Network Settings, and immediately we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.